This Delta drop will show you how to dive a little deeper with DeltaStream, powered by Apache Flink. You'll learn how to create a data store connected to Kafka, then create some of what we call relations for two topics in the cluster, and perform some queries against those relations. When you first run DeltaStream, you start in the dashboard view. To create a new store, navigate to Resources from the control panel on the left. This pane offers a range of resources, but will focus on stores, so click on Add Store. We have several available data store types, such as Snowflake and Databricks. Let's select Kafka for this exercise. Filling in the credentials is straightforward, so we'll skip past that. Our new data store is now on the list of available stores. Let's click on it and see what topics are available. From here, we can browse, search, or add topics. We can examine further details and preview data in the stream by clicking on a topic name. We see the number of partitions, replicas, and configuration information. We can preview the data by clicking on the Print button. Our data looks correct as expected. We're also able to switch the view to see raw JSON. Now we'll navigate to the workspace where the real work happens. First, we want to create a fresh database for this, so click on the plus sign. We'll call this MSKDB and click Add. Right-click on the database name here and set it as the default. As you can see, there's a few right-click options available. Notice it says there are no relations under MSKDB. We'll get to that in a moment, but first let's set the MSK data store as the default. Here, we are going to build our first relation. DeltaStream has 4 relation types: stream, changelog, materialized view, and table. We'll cover the first 2 in this video. First is the stream relation, which will create a data definition layout that describes the topic against which you will perform queries. This one will be called page views and consists of 3 fields: view time, user ID, and page ID. The page views relation layout is now visible on the left, so we'll perform a quick and simple select command against the stream relation to verify that the contents are what we expect, and they are. Now we create a changelog relation. A changelog indicates that we want to interpret events in a topic as upsert events. Therefore, the events should have a primary key, and each event will be interpreted as an insert or update for the given primary key. Here we are creating the changelog against the user's topic with the key field user ID. With the user's log created, let's create another relation called pageviews2. This will be a filter of the page view stream where user ID is not equal to user2. This makes it simple to create different layouts to the same data and simplify further queries. Let's get a little fancier now. Here we'll aggregate data across a 5-second tumble window where the user ID is not equal to 6. The results, which include the window start, stop, user ID, and page count, are in the preview window at the bottom of the screen. Our last example is a temporal join between the stream page views and the changelog users log, where user ID is not equal to user 5. This is a great example of enriching the page views data with user information from the changelog, with user ID providing the key that connects them together. And we're done. We just learned how to create a data store and connect it to a Kafka cluster, how to create and work with 2 kinds of relations, streams and changelogs, and perform queries against those relations. Visit our website and sign up for a free trial to try it for yourself.